everyone. Today we are making something special. It's a puffed rice. It's a snack thing. Like you can call it as a puffed rice snack or a coconut puff rice. It's just snack item and it's very delicious. I have kept this in oven. This is a puffed rice. What is this? Actually, this is you can say this is Jowar puffed rice, not the normal rice, Jowar. So we get that. So you can take any puffed rice. So what happens is when it comes, no, it will be like little soft. It won't be much crunchy. So what I do is I will just keep in oven. So about like I will just look in, keep one eye on that, and I will keep it like 150-degree. So mine is OTG. It won't that hot, like we can check a little bit. Can you make out the sound? I don't know. So yeah, it's so crunchy now. It became crunchy. So I do this, and for this we have to add some masala. What you know what it is? Okay, I have kept things ready. It's very simple, easy recipe. Take a mixer jar. Okay, take a mixer jar, and I have cut this coconut giris. It's a fresh coconut. Okay, take that, and I have cut it into small pieces. Just like I didn't measure it. You can measure like a half cup or three-fourth cup, I guess. Okay, just add the coconut and like this much handful of cilantro. Add that, and I have taken one, not one chili. It's half chili. Okay, you can take one chili if you want. Your wish, your how much spice you prefer, and 1/4 teaspoon jeera. I have taken that much only, and salt. I'm taken here sea salt. See how much you want, that much you add. I think this much is enough. And a lemon. Just squeeze it little bit. I think this is enough. Yeah, that's it. That's it. And just grind this. It's done. This is a masala paste. Okay, this is a masala paste, and we have to grind this, and we have to apply this on puffed rice. Okay, let's see how to do. First, let me grind this masala. Okay. Okay, my grinding is done. See, can you see? Like how much possible that much small you have to grind. But that much you can grind. So, has put this puff rice in the bowl. So we have to now mix this together. Okay, let's mix this. See, for this, you have to mix with the hand, then only it will become properly, evenly, it will apply. See how much paste you want, that much you apply. Okay, see, like this, take in your hand and just spread this and apply. See, you have to mix it like this. Okay, now you can add some more cilantro on top of this. Some like if you wish, you can add, and you can add some carrots like this, or else you can skip this part. Just mix this, and you can add even tomatoes also. Tomatoes also you can add, but what happens is like it will become soft so fast. That's why we can skip that also. That's it. See, our puffed rice snack is ready, right? So delicious actually. You can try this method. It's awesome taste. And just put this in a serving bowl and just serve it. Wow, isn't it beautiful? So delicious. How is it, Riya? Nice. Nice? Did you like it? Yes. Yes. See, my daughter also liked it. And evening snacks, like whenever they ask for it, kids also you can serve this. So yeah, it's ready. Very delicious puffed rice snack and awesome taste. Let's have this. Okay. I'm like eating all of the thing. Oh my god, it's so delicious. Mm. But one thing, as soon as you mix it, you have to finish it off. Don't keep it.
because it will become soft. Okay, when it is crunchy, that time itself. Now, when people are ready, that time you have to mix this. Otherwise, it will become soft. Okay, that is the one rule. So it's so delicious. Oh my god, I'm finishing fast. Arre, I have to give it to for my daughter also. Yeah, you also take no. It's here. She also likes. Hmm. Okay, now go. You make for yourself. Okay, it's very easy. And as soon as you mix it, just eat it. Just eat it. Finish it. Hmm.
Okay, guys, I want to tell one more thing that I have leftover of this puffed rice snack, and it became soft, very soft later on. So I couldn't eat it because of full of softness. So what I did is the same puffed rice, I took it and again I kept that in oven with the masala. Already I applied it, right? That one I kept it in oven again for again like 5 to 7 minutes, or you just keep one eye and look after that, and if it should become crispy, that's it will become very crispy and it will be very very tasty, see my carrot is also like became so thin. Yeah, I have decorated with that, right? Garnishing, I have added this carrot, that one. So both are good. Even when you apply it, that time itself you have to finish. If you keep for a longer time, it going to be very soft that you can't eat. So I did this method. Okay, or else I don't prefer to cook coconut. Okay, this has a coconut, I don't bake the coconut. So it's okay sometimes. uh, it doesn't matter, sometimes it's okay, it's a leftover, only few it was there. So both are good, both version you can make it. So that's it, guys, and enjoy this beautiful puffed rice snack, soft and crunchy also, both you can try. Let me enjoy it now.
Bye. See you guys. See you in the next video. See you. Okay. Until then, namaste. Namaste. Mm, I will take from yours. I like carrots.
Okay, eat fresh and be healthy.
Yes.
And instead of jumping for other snacks, just try by yourself and new versions, new recipes like this. Thank you so much.